Your app is live. This is the App Command Center. Everything it needs next from one screen instead of 5 separate tools that don't talk to each other. Let me give you the quick tour, starting with your apps. First, crashes and errors. You will never reproduce every crash on your own phone. Real users are on older devices, weak networks, and edge cases you never imagined. So here, every crash is captured automatically and grouped by its exact cause, with the full stack trace, the device and operating system, and how many users were hit the moment it appears. Diagnostics puts all of it in one clear view. Next, analytics. This is where you see who is actually using the app and how. Active users, session length, and how people move through it, all updating live. You can see your device mix, the versions people are on, the countries they open it from, and even their language. Stability keeps users around. Analytics tells you whether they are getting real value from what you built. When you want to bring people back, that is push notifications. Send to everyone, or to a precise segment, like your active users from the last 7 days, and preview the exact reach before anything goes out. From here, you build the whole message. The content, the icon, the priority, the time to live, and what happens when someone taps it. You can rate limit it, schedule it for the right moment, and tailor it per platform for iOS and Android. And every notification you have sent stays in one list. Now, what if you need to change the live app without shipping a new build and waiting on the stores? That is remote config and flags. Create a config key, give it a value, and turn it on or off. Target it to specific app versions with a minimum and a maximum, so a change only reaches the users you choose. Roll something out gradually, and if it looks wrong, switch it off instantly with no new release. And every build has to reach people. Releases does 2 things. First, it distributes each version straight to your team, your testers, or your clients, so the latest build is in the right hands in seconds. Second, it tracks the health of every release, the crash-free rate, how many sessions each version is serving, and how widely it is used. Open any release for the full picture, the crash-free sessions, the adoption, the total sessions, and the build details. So at a glance, you know which release is the healthiest. And here is what matters most. Notice how it all connects. A crash points you to a release. That release shows up in analytics. Analytics tells you who to reach with a push. A flag lets you change course, and a new build carries the fix home. It is one continuous motion on the same screen you started on. That is the App Command Center. Everything your app needs after launch. The link is in the description.